guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys like everything I got for Christmas and how to work them. So let's get into it. First thing I have is this kit called like So Slime DIY. So basically you make your own slime here, and we are going to be making our own slime. So it's going to need water and all the stuff that comes with it. So this is how like everything goes. So you put this bigger cup in here, put this on top, put your shaker right here. And to be honest, I don't even know where you put the top, like right here, I don't know. You can put it wherever you want. Yes. So it's kind of like a tutorial how to use it right now. So let's do it. So first, and like all these videos are gonna be individual, so just so you know. So it's like this and then part 2 and all that. So first, you're going to take your powder that you want. I think I'm gonna go for this cool color right here. So you add the whole powder packet. Let me find my scissors, man. Can't even find my scissors. You can open these either with your teeth or just open them. Make sure it doesn't get in your mouth. First time I did this, it definitely did. So, and then the bigger thing right here goes on that. There's like a place to put it. And then you pour your whole thing of powder if you want it to be like how you want it to be. This is just how you do it. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I know you guys have like, if you have this at home, you're watching my tutorial, you like have this thing. It goes like where this random thing right here is, and you just put all your charms in it. So whenever you want your charms, you just open that up, and it fits all of them. Yeah, so now we have this, and now we're gonna add our glitters. I think I'm gonna add this nice shimmery glitter. You can add whatever glitter you'd like. It doesn't even have to come with the thing. On the instructions, I know you guys can look at the instructions. It says not to add too much. So don't add too much. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your water. I've noticed like when I do this, I add like into the line, and that's what you're supposed to do. But the slime didn't all the way fit, so I had to throw away some. So I have like a little less water, and I don't fill it up all the way. I fill it like close to the top, but not all the way. So there. See like this, the line, and it's right there. So then you're gonna quickly add this, and then you're gonna do this for 2 minutes. So let's count with me. 1. Actually, I'll just tell y'all. I'm not pausing this video, so you guys can go because I'm counting in my brain. I have a timer above my head, so I can see what I'm doing. So tell you guys how to try to like mix it fast, because this is, you have to mix it for 2 minutes. If you got weak arms, you can't have weak arms for this. I got weak arms, but this has been a workout. It's 2 minutes, y'all. And I'm gonna do one more thing to show y'all, but that's it. So close, y'all. You got this. By the way, story time. So this week, Christmas, yeah, the Christmas. The day after Christmas, I sprained it, whatever the word is, my leg, like my knee. So it's in like a thing right now. And then, yeah, I'll tell you guys how. So basically, I was on the trampoline playing gaga ball. I was standing up, my brother dove in, was trying to hit the ball and then fell on me. I fell down and went to the ER today. They didn't say it was broken. I think it's broken. I was limping. I was in a wheelchair at the hospital, but said it wasn't. So it was like my whole foot and down, but now it's more like just my knee. But it still hurts on both sides. But I just want to show y'all that, tell y'all that. Yeah, I know you guys are getting a workout. It's about to be done. I'm telling y'all, y'all are champions if you're doing this still. And I'm done. So now y'all have to wait. I'm sorry for this, y'all. Now you have to wait 2 minutes. I'm so sorry. Now we're gonna open one more thing I want to show you guys, and it is nano tape. Nano tape is so fun, and I have nano tape. One thing about this is you really want to watch this video because it literally comes with no instructions at all. So I have my tape, my nano tape. Don't try to do this with regular tape or you will literally not do it right. So it comes with like stuff to like make it, like these big like this stuff, but I literally don't use those because they don't work for me. So I take my tape, whatever stuff you want to add in, but I'm gonna make this one clear, and my straw. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it like pretty good, like this far, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. It's hard to cut because it's like super thick, but don't do anything. Just do this, like take it out, take your tape out, and that's all. I really don't want y'all doing anything else, because it's not gonna end well. So now you're gonna do like this. See that? And on the bottom or on the top, you're gonna close it up. Only one side, and the other side you're just gonna leave opened. Make sure there's like no holes, no way for air to get out. Okay. Now you see, you will take your straw, you'll put it in like this much, you see it? And then you're gonna like squeeze it so like no air comes out. And then this tricky part. There's like this like thing, if y'all have been like picking at it, you'll like know that there's this layer on it that comes off. So you're gonna take it, try to take it off. This might take you a couple minutes, and that is fine. It sometimes takes me a minute. So you're focusing on finding like a place to pull it off. If I'm going too fast, y'all can always pause the video. It's just my learning speed. I literally learned this like on Christmas Day. So then you're gonna take it off. And if you guys don't have this, and if you're watching still, that's totally fine. And if y'all do get this ever, you can watch this video to help you. I'm trying to go slower. So you see that this part's off. That's what it's supposed to be off. And it should look like this. And you're just gonna blow into it. And you have to use like all your might for this. And watch this. At first, it's gonna be like super hard to get it going, but make sure like it's super tight around the things. You'll be watching other videos and they're like blow dry it. You don't have to do that. Oh, and if you guys need to breathe, just hold this straw and no air will come out. It's so hard at first, y'all. It takes me a couple minutes to get started. You have to like go all your might and go like, breathe. But for a second, this will work out. It's so hard, y'all. Make sure like there's no place for air to get out though. If it's not working, like I even made this mistake too right now. There's some places for air to get out, so I'm closing them up right this second. Make sure, like no, if you hear, like you feel air coming out, that's not good. So make sure there's no air coming out. I'm telling you, it's so hard to start. I feel like I did it wrong. Or no, I know what I did. If you guys are like this or squeezing it down, it's not gonna have a place to go. Or you guys didn't push it down too much, like I think I did. Sorry, y'all. See, you're getting progress like this. Even more progress. It's so hard, y'all. You guys might be having more luck than me right now. There we are. I know what I did. I squeezed this down too much. And I'm squeezing this and I'm making places for the area. We're doing it, y'all. We're doing it. And you just pull the straw out. And y'all can draw a face on it if you want. And there's a nano tape tutorial. It's like so cool how you can make these. It's so easy once you get the hang of it. You guys saw when you breathe. I was struggling there, but I did it. And if you guys want, I'm not gonna draw a face on mine, but you can always draw a face. And like the same how I did it, I know what I didn't add anything, but y'all just leave that hole open. You can add the glitter that you want, like some charms that you want, like stuff like that, and then y'all make this. It's really cool, right? I know this is here. I don't know like how to get rid of that. I'm gonna learn. And then y'all can always pop it. And it feels like weird, but don't throw it, because it's not gonna come back to you or anything. If y'all like, when you're doing this and when you put it out, like you have to like hold it right there, like hold there and then boom. And then if it like starts deflating, sorry, the balloons stick to my camera. If it starts deflating, you just have to like find where that spot is and like cover it up with the tape, and then it'll be fixed. So this is really cool. Yeah, I hope y'all like really like this. And on the one I got, it literally didn't have any like reason, like anything how to like make it. It didn't have any directions. So I had to like look up videos, and those videos weren't helpful. I hope mine was. So I had to like learn how to do it myself. I can't tell you how much I like these. Like, subscribe if you want me to pop this, and also comment a frog if you want me to pop. Unpop that. And I'll do it in a short. But let's check on our slime. The kit that I got, there's only one kit, so the kit comes with this thingy. You're gonna go, and these things, these weird things like these oval shaped, put it right in there for all of them. So now, ooh, it's slime, look at that. You are not gonna like just take it out. You're gonna go ahead and mix it. Just make sure you're like, oh, this is really nice. It might need to stay a little longer. Like I think mine does, just for a little longer. That's so cool how it works, right? And back to this, because I absolutely love this. Oh, and forgot to tell you, Froggy Frog wants to tell y'all something. Like and subscribe right now, or you will not get any presents for Christmas this year. I know Christmas already passed, but if you really, really want extra Christmas presents, then like, subscribe, and share. You can comment if you can, because my name is Gerald. Just kidding. My name is not Gerald. Your name is Gerald. Do you like my eyes? At the end. That got worse. But that's what the mascot said today, so I think you should listen to Froggy Frog. He's got a point. You guys want extra Christmas presents, right? So, As you're looking at your slime, if you look at it in disbelief, it won't be good. But, oh, you're gonna go ahead and try to take out the slime. You can like take a little out at a time if that helps you. If it's literally like this, it probably needs extra time to do that, like make it slime. And that just means that you haven't left it in there for long enough. So that's fine. Also, let me plant some slime to get this off my hands. If I can even open that. What am I supposed to do? Just like, seriously. I'm sorry, man. This is a Christmas list. I don't need that anymore. Wash my hands off of that. I still need some slime. There, I got it. Got it open. So then I have this in my holiday special slime. And it's like amazing, right? If y'all like this slime, like actually like these stuff, if you have either one of these, I like recommend watching this video. If you can't figure it out in like instructions or something that doesn't come with instructions, that's like stressing you out. I know it definitely stressed me out when I first got it. And this stuff like is supposed to be a relief. So definitely type in how to make these stuff, and I will show you how to make them. And if you guys want more videos like this, even though I'm going to show you guys a whole bunch of more videos like this because all the stuff I got for Christmas. Sorry, I'm like mixing up my slime. If you see like a pool in your slime, that means it's about to be slime. Like in my slime, there's a chunk, but no pool. That is not good. I don't know if I just messed it up or what, but okay. Wait a minute, let me check it. There we are, we're done. So now, let me get this slime out for y'all. This is so cool. It kind of like changed its color a little bit, but that's fine. I can add like something to make it. I don't know how it turned into this color. But it's cool though. Oh, I know why. And off camera, I added a little bit of different color. But that's still fine because it's okay. You guys know how to make it now. Now let's go ahead and add it in my cup. That was the slime. Yes, and that's how you make these stuff. I hope you liked the video, and bye.